How to hard reset Red Magic 11 Air.
Step 1. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn off your device.
Step 2. Simultaneously press and hold both the volume up and power keys for a brief moment.
Step 3. Let go the power button when you see the Red Magic logo on the screen, but keep pressing the volume up button.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.